Tha Din Dang. Tha Din Dang. So this street crosses with this street, Samdet Chao Phraya. So we just walked down this street, and we could keep going down this way. We could also go down this way, but I'm going to choose to go down this way. This is Tha Din Dang. Tha Din Dang. So we're going to walk down this way. So Tha Din Dang. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, much busier street. The one I was just on was pretty low key. Yeah, this particular street has a lot of life to it. It also has this kind of roof thing, which I guess you could say so it goes back to a little residential area. There's quite a few people out. The streets in this area are quite wide anyways. This looks like a temple here. Chinese temple. Okay. It's kind of interesting because across the way is Chinatown. If we keep going the street, down the street, and you go all the way to the end, it goes to a ferry that goes across the river into Chinatown, which is something we might end up doing. But this street is pretty cool. There's a lot of commerce going on here, a lot of side alleys. And so we're just gonna keep on walking down. So yeah, it looks like there's a market over here. Basically an endless amount of things to explore in Bangkok. Gold shop with a security guy. And whatever that yellow building is, looks like one giant marketplace. Actually, this looks like more of it too. Trent dog. Marketplace. Let's see. More of a marketplace. Tha Din Dang. We're gonna keep on walking down it. Let's see what else we can see around here. Hair salon. Okay. It's like a fish one, I think. Fish and sea fish. Who's that lady standing in the window? Yeah. Tha Din Dang. There's another Amazon cafe coming up here too. Cafe Amazon. Okay, so here's that street again. Cafe Amazon. Got Cafe Amazon everywhere. There's another Chinese temple. This area has a couple of Chinese temples, and if we walk all the way down, I believe that the crossing goes into Chinatown too, so. Okay, let's see, this is at 5.5 minutes, so. Oh, looks like we're coming up to a bus depot. Well, I think the one thing I've discovered is that I like this part of Bangkok. It's like nice wide sidewalks, but also like a lot of density with a lot of shops and amenities. And I think pretty soon we're going to come out to the riverboat. So they're setting up the market for this evening. Christmas. Okay. There's more. Okay. So I think we're going to go right into the pier, so I'll just keep the camera on. Yeah, we are. Actually, there's people getting off of it right now. This means I should probably hurry if I want to get on it. Oh, and actually all these buses too. So the buses are waiting for the people to get off the boat. Make sure I catch the boat. $3.50. Thank you. Okay. Make sure we get on this boat. Oh, I think the boat is still there? Okay, good. So yeah, this is how we get across. Ooh, made it. That must have been a pretty crowded boat. So this is the boat that we're going to get on in a minute. Hello. We're gonna get off to get to the front, I guess. Perfect. So basically, he's just gonna take us right over there, I think, or maybe over there. Whatever it is, this is going to be perfect. And actually the sun is just starting to go down, so you get some of the more interesting stuff around here. Those guys just missed the boat. It means they have to wait. There's a hop on, a hop off boat too. Okay, Okay, this is already at 10 minutes, so we'll stop right there. And I'm sure I'll be filming again soon, so let's catch the next video on the lyric sequence. You can see what I run into next on the other side.